Hey, what's up gardening family? Opie here. I'm the owner and operator of the Brew City Gardener channel. And I tell you what, I couldn't be more thrilled to be a part of a collaboration amongst straw bale gardening YouTube channels for the 2019 season. So this year, my channel and several other YouTube channels that are involved in straw bale gardening have collaborated and teamed up to help educate the community and provide insights and education in straw bale gardening. I couldn't be more excited. It's the coolest project ever. So I get to work with some awesome channels like Brainstorm Acres, the sapper gardener himself, Rob at Essayons Family Garden, as well as Christine at Straw Bale Gardening Australia. We're also working in collaboration with CB's Greenhouse and Garden. So all these channels are top-notch, educational, and just all around great content. And I truly believe this year's collaboration is gonna be epic. Now, my Brew City Garden is located in, you guessed it, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is Zone 5B. We're just off of Lake Michigan, and I get about 5 months in the growing season. Our frost dates run October 15th, approximately through May 15th. So it gives me about 5 months, which isn't awesome, but it's not terrible either. I can grow pretty much any crops outside of tropical varieties outside. If I had a greenhouse or I bring plants inside, I can actually get away with growing some tropical varieties, which you will see on this channel. Now, if you know anything about the Brew City Gardener channel, you know I love straw bale gardening. It's just the greatest gardening technique that I've come across yet, and I've used all different types of gardening techniques, from traditional in-ground gardening to container gardening, raised beds. I've even done some hydroponics. But so far, the king of the hill, the one that tops them all, is straw bale gardening. Now, I'm really looking forward to working with these other channels, a couple of which have a lot of experience and a couple of which this is their very first year. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how things go for them and how we can offer information and help back and forth between channels and also between you and I. So make sure you keep up with all of our channels, and if you want, go get some straw bales of your own. Let's start a straw bale revolution. All right guys, on that note, see ya.